So this is how you download TikTok videos without watermarks. First, navigate to your TikTok app. Once you find a video that you want to download, just click the arrow at the bottom and then it should open up the settings. Here we just need to copy the link. You should see a pop-up at the top. Once you're done, now head over to your browser, and I'm using Chrome, so go to any browser, and when you get there, search download TikTok videos. This should take you to the website where you can download your videos. So you're gonna want to click to the first link, but the link to this website will be posted in the description below. Now paste the link from the TikTok video in that search bar, and then when you're done, click search and then wait a second for it to load. You should see an option where it says download. Yes, now this option, go ahead and click download and your video should be downloaded. Now this pop-up, you just need to rename your video. You can leave it like that if you want, or just name it whatever, and then once you're done, click download and you should be able to open your video just like that. And as you can see, your video will now be in your phone and it won't have any watermarks, and you can share it with whoever you want. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.